CEI has developed a customized link to help drivers gather photos of a vehicle after certain collisions, which results in time saved and a better optimized estimating process.
When a driver calls in, CEI has developed a link that we offer to our driver. So when they call the claim, they get a body shop assigned to where to take the vehicle, and our reps then offer them, hey, instead of having to take the vehicle there, take an hour or two out of your day, maybe more, we can send you a link where you can take the photos. The customized link walks them through the whole experience. The body shop or a CEI licensed appraiser will then write the initial estimate, and therefore saving the driver the need to go to the body shop. When a driver calls in and they accept the photo gathering and estimating process, they receive the link. The first time they have to go to the body shop is when they take their vehicle in for repair. The whole process works behind the scene electronically through technology to drive shorter cycle times and let the drivers be more productive.